how to save as PNG in Figma. Let's say we have our project or our image here in Figma and we want to export it as PNG. So what we can do is we can go to the right hand side and we're going to look for this last tab, which is called export. If I click on this plus sign, it will expand. And now I can choose the size in which it will be exported. If it's 1:1, that's what 1x4 stands for. And I can also go twice that or 3 times that. You get the idea. We can also downscale it from here. We can add a suffix from here, or yes, in here we can add the format, whether it's PNG, JPEG, SVG, or PDF. I'm just going to leave it at PNG for this case. And here in these 3 dots, we have advanced export options like the color profile. I can choose it from here. And we can also choose to ignore the overlapping layers. And once we're done, we can preview what it's going to look like. And now we can export the project from here. And that's how you save as PNG in Figma. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.